guess in this video I'm going to discuss about Go statement in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So and here in MS SQL Server, execute the same query multiple times. So we can achieve this by using Go statement. So let's understand by example. So first I'm going to use at your select statement. So select a star from, going to use the table dpt here. Now here let's execute that and check the output. So this is the records inside debit table. Now here you can use go statement. So go and here go and here giving 4. So this output that display 4 times. Execute. So and here no need to give or semicolon. Now execute one more time. So see at here this is the first, here second, here third, and here this is fourth. So fourth time it's the display. Now if you want here you can display 2 at a time. Execute that. So see at here this is the first time, here second time, 2 time it's a display. Now here after you can apply go statement on multiple columns. So let's copy this line and here paste. So first going to use dpt and next going to use emp table. So here going to use emp table and here let's use go and give 3. So 3 times that display emp dpt table records. So here this is the emp table and here this is the dbt table, here this is the emp table records. So first time dpt emp 2 times and here dpt and emp 3 times it's a display. Like this you can print the same thing by 2 times. Execute here. So this is the dpt emp first times or dpt emp 2 times it's a display. Now hereafter you can use in go statement by using by for updating and inserting the records. So at here first I'm going to use db table. Now here let's use go statement and here insert into dept table, db table, and here give the values. So at here 5566 giving at here let's check the contents inside dbt. So first is at here dbt number. So going to enter dbt number values 40 and hereafter dname giving hr and here dname, location at here giving me or me. Now hereafter let's use go statement one more time. Now if you execute this query, so here getting some error message. Okay, execute one more time. So insert into or dpt and here we need to give values. Now execute one more time. So value inserted. Now let's check the value. Select top 100. So see at here 40 it's a display HR. Now hereafter if you want then here you can enter 50 and here or cells according cells computer and let's give the address UK. Now if you execute here and here just select top. So see at here 50 computer UK it's the display. Now here if you execute this query, so see 50 computer UK it's a display. So like this, you can update the records also. So for update, use update keyword, update, and your dpt table, and your set dname dname. So at here, first check the records, select here dname. So dname here going to change computer to COMP, and here the dbt number 50. So dname giving address COMP comp, and here where dpt number equal to 50. Now if you execute this one here, one thing, let's skip go and here. Now execute this query. So query executed successfully. Now here execute this one. So the dname is your computer, and after applying, so it's a display COMP. So it's updated successfully. Now like this you can or do some deletion also. So inside at here, just try to delete operation by using a go statement. So at here going to delete dpt number 15 values. So delete dpt, and here we are going to use dpt number equal to 50. Now if you let's give at here 18 to insert, and here so no any error, it's a display. Execute that. So see at here new value it's inserted. So this is for insert, new value inserted 80 computer UK, and there are no any 15 values inside of dpt table. So this is the use of go statement. So here if you want to execute the same query value multiple times, so you can use go statement at here. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.